Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is particularly for rescheduling your kids or a children's vaccination in 2022. I have already pushed a video which you can see if you wanted to schedule a vaccination for kids 15 to 18 years. All the steps are covered there, and also how to download the acknowledgement, everything is shown in that video. So this video is particularly for rescheduling. Also I am showing the cancellation option for the vaccination of your children. So what is the process? The same COVIN portal you are supposed to enter here, cowin.gov.in, and after that you are going to click on register sign in button. So I have already registered my kid for vaccination. I'm going to show you how to reschedule it if you wanted to change date and time. So enter the mobile number where you have entered or registered the child, and you will get an OTP. You have to wait for that. After getting the OTP, just enter the OTP. This is the normal procedure even for adults and kids. Okay, so verify and proceed, and you are logged into your account. So after that you can see the registration. This is the thing you can see here. I have registered for my kid using student photo ID card and year of birth 2007. So this is the option to reschedule. Okay, if you wanted to reschedule, click here, and if you wanted to cancel the appointment, click here. This is the option. So let us try the reschedule option. Once you click on reschedule, how you are going to change date and time. You can change even place. You can select any other state and district also in India. It's possible. Okay, it's not that you should select the same state. Okay, I can select Delhi, or I can select slots are open for many places. Maharashtra it is open, Delhi it is open, Telangana it's open for kids. So after selecting your district, first select 15 to 18 because this is the best filter. Do not go by general filter. Select 15 to 18 and automatically only COVAXIN will be available. So now you click on the date and wait for some time. Okay friends, it might take some time to load. Do not keep on just like search on the click on the date and think that it's not available. Just click on the date, give some seconds. See, you can see here I just clicked on Tuesday 04 and I waited for some time and it appeared. Remember one more thing, when is the slots updating online? Slots are updated 8 a.m, 12 p.m, 4 p.m and 8 p.m daily, every day. Okay friends, so make sure these times slots will be available. More if you wait, it might get booked, and 20 searches within 15 minutes is allowed. You keep on searching, it will get blocked, or maybe you can try only after some time. So this is the thing you wanted to check. So now we are going to reschedule, right? So as you can see here, only COVAXIN is available. There is free and paid options. Free means you don't need to pay anything. Paid means in that hospital you have to pay it. So whatever hospital near to you or preference, you can clearly say, it says age 15 and above. Okay, I'm going to book for a 15-year-old child. So select, click on the hospital. Once you click on the hospital, it will come like this. For example, I selected this hospital, Hyderabad, and then COVAXIN 3rd Jan, name of the kid, and now you are supposed to select the slot. That means when you are going to reschedule. Date I have selected. Now I'm going to reschedule or select my time. You have a lot of options here for slots are available. Let me select 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on 3rd Jan. Okay friends, this is the option I'm going to show you for reschedule. You can see here 10 to 11 is active. Now click on confirm button. That's it. Your reschedule has done for the kid. You will get a message also like this, and you get appointment download. You can download the appointment acknowledgement also. You get a message. This is good enough because it clearly contains the date and time, 10 a.m. to 11, 3rd Jan, and then a reference ID is also there. So if you come back to the portal, you can download the receipt, acknowledgement receipt. Click on download, and you can see the new time and stuff will be reflecting here, and clearly it says a COVAXIN and first dose because kids vaccine has just started today. So it is COVAXIN and first dose for kid, and student photo ID card is the ID card you have given. You have multiple options, Aadhaar, all lot of options are there, but I had selected student photo ID card, and time is 10 to 11. So the second time says preferred time. That means you are preferring this time, but the complete slot for the day is 10 to 3 p.m. and you have selected 10 to 11 a.m. Now student photo ID card, please make sure you carry this student photo ID card while going to the center, otherwise obviously you might have a problem. So you carry this photo ID card of student there and share the secret code there while getting vaccinated. And you can also see here, when you come back to the screen home page, appointment details is updated with the latest date and time, right friends? So this is the way you can reschedule your appointment for your child. And if you really wanted to cancel now, that option is also available. You can click on cancel appointment and cancel the appointment for your kid. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. See you with another informative video.